In this video, I'm going to be breaking down everything you need to know on how to create the simplest TikTok ad you can make. What's up guys, it's Seb here from Wolfio. So like I said, we're going to go ahead and create the most simplest ad you can make on TikTok. But by the way, if you didn't know, we have a whole TikTok ad series, which you can go ahead and click down below where we go in depth on how to create all of your TikTok ads. For example, if you want to create a custom audience which is linked to your TikTok profile, then I'll show you how to do that in that video. We'll also show you how to create a TikTok Spark ad and all of those other things you can check out in the playlist down below. But now we're going to go ahead and create our simple TikTok ad. So first things first, log into your TikTok ads account. Then you want to head over to either campaign or just press create an ad. So because this is a dashboard, we'll just do create an ad. And then from here, you'll see we have two options, simplified mode or custom mode. So custom mode gives you a lot more flexibility when it comes to what kind of ads you want to create, as well as your audience, as well as all your interests and all of that. A little bit more complicated, but because we're making a simple one, we're going to go to simplified mode. From here, we're then going to select our goal. Now, the key thing to note here is that this option, traffic, lead generation, and website conversions, are mainly used for your business, whereas the community interactions is more linked to your actual TikTok page. For instance, if you want to get more views, more profile visits, or even more engagement, then you would want to select the community interactions. And then the traffic, website conversions, and lead generation are pretty much self-explanatory. One thing to note with the lead generation is that the lead generations aren't going to be done on an external website, like if you have a Wolfio account or something like that. The lead generation is going to be done inside of TikTok, so you don't need to create your own website or anything like that. You can start collecting leads inside of TikTok. So a cool thing to know, and maybe we'll make a video about that. Let us know in the comments down below. But what we're going to do from here is we have the option between these three options. So community interactions, traffic, or website conversions. So I think it would be quite interesting just for the purpose of this video. Let's say we want to get a bunch more traffic to our Facebook page or our Instagram page or even our website, right? So we're going to go ahead and do traffic. It's also the easiest option out of all of these because you don't need a pixel. For conversions, you need a pixel. So let's go ahead and do traffic. Once we've done that, it's going to take us to our select audience. So here we can select our location, the UK. You can add multiple locations as well if you like. And then this is the interesting part. So custom audience means that you're going to create your demographic. So you're either a male or female, your age, your language, as well as your interests and behaviors. So whether or not people are interested in certain things, as well as whether or not people have interacted with your page in the last 7 to 15 days. Because this is a simple ad, we're going to do automatic audience. We're going to make sure that Pangle and news feeds are not enabled because we just want to focus on TikTok. Then from here, we're going to go ahead and press continue. Once we've done this, we need to set our daily budget. So there are two options, lifetime or daily. Of course, daily has a minimum spend of £5. So we're going to go ahead and do that just so we can do a test ad. Then we can select our dates to start publishing automatically, and we can set a start and an end date, or we can do a start now with no end date. So for the purpose of this, we're going to do today, and then we're going to finish tomorrow, and then we're going to press continue. And now we've reached the final step where we're actually going to create our ad. So if your TikTok account is linked to your TikTok Ads Manager, then you'll see that all of your videos have popped up here. And if you learn how to connect your TikTok account to your TikTok Ads Manager, we'll leave a video down below so you can check it out. So here you have the option to upload your existing videos, which will act as a Spark ad, which means whenever you're paying to get views and interactions and all of that, say you're paying £100 for this video right here, that's actually going to generate views on your profile as well as that exact video. So say you only had 10,000 views, but then you spent £100, that generated 50,000 interactions. That means you're getting an extra 50,000 views, which is pretty cool. But you also have the option to upload your own images or your own videos. And then you'll have the flexibility to change your title, your name, and all of that sort of stuff. Whereas the thing to note with the existing TikTok videos is that once you've actually selected it, so for example, how to monetize your TikTok audience, you would press confirm, and then you can see the display name and the text you cannot edit, which is quite interesting to know. So here you have the option to then change your name. So here, how to monetize your TikTok audience. Then we can add a call to action. So learn more, sign up, shop now, whatever you want. TikTok says, but learn more is recommended. So let's go ahead and do that. And then here we can add our call to action. So this can literally go to anywhere. It can go to Instagram, it can go to your website, YouTube, whatever you want. A good thing to note is to make sure you have a TikTok pixel linked to this or a UTM code so you can actually see where the traffic is coming from. But just for the purposes of this video, we're going to select this lead magnet right here, start your digital course in less than 14 days and make $100,000 fast. Okay, so we can copy this URL. I'm going to head over here, paste it in, and then we can just make sure that it does work. So open that up. Boom, we know that works, so we know that the link is going to be working. And then now we're pretty much good to go. So if we go ahead and press publish, we've now created our ad. So what's going to happen from here is that TikTok is going to review the entire ad. It might take about an hour to 6 hours, sometimes even 24 hours to 48 hours, depending on the complexity of it. But because this is a simple ad, you can see that it's actually activated it right off the bat because it knows it's created its own audience. So it doesn't really need to check through all of that. It's verified the website and boom, it's good to go. So I hope this video did help you out. Remember, we've got a full playlist which you can watch right here, all about TikTok ads. Be sure to check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.